This is a 2009 GMC Yukon for when safety, size, and space are of importance. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, third-row seats, a low-tire pressure indicator, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, active fuel management, trailer wiring, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, fog lamps, OnStar, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 58,000 miles on the odometer. This GMC has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Coulter Motor Company is located at 7780 South Autoplex Loop in Tempe. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.